Coming back to the President's Bodyguards, which is the oldest regiment in the Indian Army, originally known as the Governor General's Bodyguards. It has evolved to become the ceremonial and operational unit it is today, with the dual role of ceremonial duties and operational responsibilities. The President's Bodyguard is not just a symbol of grandeur, but also of readiness and valor.
देश की सेनाओं की सर्वोच्च कमांडर भारत की राष्ट्रपति माननीय श्रीमती द्रौपदी मुर्मू और इस वर्ष के 76वें गणतंत्र दिवस के मुख्य अतिथि इंडोनेशिया के राष्ट्रपति श्री प्रबोवो सुबियांतो पारंपरिक बग्घी में विराजमान हो चुके हैं और समारोह पूर्वक राष्ट्रपति महोदया का काफिला कर्तव्य पथ की ओर प्रस्थान करेगा, जहां पर गणतंत्र दिवस की मुख्य परेड का आयोजन हो रहा है। राष्ट्रपति के अंगरक्षक, घुड़सवार अंगरक्षकों की रेजिमेंट भारतीय सेना की सबसे वरिष्ठ रेजिमेंट है। इस रेजिमेंट के लिए ये गणतंत्र दिवस खास तौर पर पिछला वर्ष बहुत खास रहा था, क्योंकि प्रेसिडेंट बॉडीगार्ड ने वाराणसी में 1773 में अपनी स्थापना के 250 साल पूरे होने का जश्न मनाया था। राष्ट्रपति महोदया का काफिला रवाना हो रहा है राष्ट्रपति भवन के भव्य प्रांगण से। राष्ट्रपति के अंगरक्षकों को राष्ट्रीय ध्वज के साथ पूरी शान के साथ आगे बढ़ते हुए देखा जा सकता है। राष्ट्रपति महोदया की कार के दाहिने ओर रेजिमेंट के कमांडेंट कर्नल अमित बेरवाल
his carcade, and behind them the cavalcade of the President of India. And strains of Shubh Swagatam filling the air. So extending a warm welcome. The Republic of India extends a very, very warm welcome to the President of the Republic of Indonesia, Mr. Prabowo Subianto, our chief guest for India's 76th Republic Day celebrations, arriving here along with the President of India.
गणतंत्र दिवस समारोहों पर ये विशेष अवसर देश की माननीय राष्ट्रपति जी का आगमन और उनके साथ हमारे मुख्य अतिथि इंडोनेशिया के राष्ट्रपति श्री प्रबोवो सुबियांतो.
India and Indonesia, two nations that share millennia-old cultural and trade links with shared religious traditions of Buddhism and Hinduism, and a strong treaty of friendship and strategic partnerships. In fact, India and Indonesia's multifaceted partnership stands as a cornerstone of regional security, economic growth, and cultural diplomacy, with both nations well positioned to enhance their global outreach. A beautiful day in the capital, and the welcome warmth of the sun echoing the warmth and friendship between the two nations.
हमारे मुख्य अतिथि थे और आज 75 वर्ष बाद
Delegation from Indonesia, and of course we'll have their band and their marching contingent, and they have some beautiful memories and pictures to take back with them. And that flash of blue and white you see behind our Gallantry Award winners, the Gendarang Suling Kangka Lokananta military band of the Indonesian Military Academy. A 190-member ensemble band, a unique blend of military music and noble values. Going past a saluting base. Picture perfect positioning. What a visual treat. Proud moment for our chief guest too, as the band goes past the saluting base. Snare drums, veliras, trumpets, flutes, all a part of the band. Behind their band, we have the marching contingent. The Indonesian National Armed Forces, TNI, showcase their discipline and national pride. 152 personnel from all branches of the TNI. Meticulous training, synchronized steps, perfect timing.
श्रीमान, अंतर सेना सम्मान गार्ड निरीक्षण के लिए हजरत।
I would like to just express my deepest appreciation and the great honor I've received today. I've been invited officially to India. Indonesia considers India a very great friend. India was one of the first country, maybe the first country to recognize our independence, to support us in our struggle for independence. We will never forget what India did to help us. I'm really honored today, and I'm doubly honored that tomorrow I will be the chief guest at your Republic Day parade. So, Madam President, I would like to express my deepest thanks. Excellency Prime Minister Modi, just like to express to you that I'm committed to promote closer cooperation, closer partnership with India. That is my determination. Thank you very much. Thank you.